Could you be mine when winter's gone away? Oh, never mind, I think it's here to stay. If only time could wait for us today and hold the line for what I have to say. I'll spill my words out louder than before, make all the birds come knocking at my door. Come Valentine, come Romeo, right by. Don't make me cry, I'm only your highlight. Come find me by the Adriatic Sea. We'll travel lightly down to Sicily. I'll spill my words out to Tokyo, Japan. They must have heard out over in San Fran. I'll spill my words out to the ones before, all the absurd ones, crazy at the core. May my mistakes be fewer from now on. Do what it takes, let bygones be bygones. For heaven's sake, I'm in for a long run, and at the gates they'll know I'm the wrong one. I'll spill my words out every chance I get. Won't be a third doubt, not a first regret. If we're still here when all is said and done, let's make it clear that boredom never won. And all these years we spent on having fun, let's keep him near while aging in the sun. I'll spill my